The prosecution has now rested its case in the murder trial of Crystal Rogers.
WDRB's Fallon Glick tells us more about the final witnesses that took the stand and what they told the jury today. Fallon?
Scott Hayden, over 5 days of testimony, we have heard from 41 different witnesses, and really the majority of it has centered around Brooks Houck and his family. But today we heard a little bit more evidence and testimony about Joseph Lawson in this murder case. Now, one of the final witnesses of the day was Joseph Lawson's grandmother. Barbara Coulter told the jury before Joseph was in his motorcycle crash that put him in a wheelchair. He drove to her house on his motorcycle to talk to her. Now, she admitted he was high at the time, but said, quote, "Grandma, there's something I need to tell you." He went on to say that Steve Lawson, his dad, killed Crystal Rogers. Barbara responded to that comment, telling Joseph he can't say that kind of thing unless it's fact, but he never gave her any other details. Now, she also revealed that her son and grandson, Steve and Joseph, had a love-hate relationship with each other and would often run their mouths about each other. After her testimony, the judge did tell the jury her testimony can only be used against Joseph Lawson and not Brooks Houck. Now, this afternoon, we also heard from Rebecca Greer, the ex-wife of Steve Lawson. Her own daughter and Joseph Lawson were also a couple. Greer overheard a conversation between them, and she told the jury, quote, "I heard them talking about moving a car, $50,000, and that it didn't need to be discussed." When she asked Joseph about it, he told her she would have to ask Steve about it to get any more details. Now, Greer did not know Steve Lawson back in 2015 when Crystal went missing. They had met in 2017, and she did testify today that when they did first meet in 2017, he did have money all the time. Now, I want to give you some new information that came in just several minutes ago. The defense filed a motion saying there is not enough evidence for a jury to reach a verdict in this case. They claimed there is no body, no crime scene, and no confession. And the judge, he denied that motion just several minutes ago. So for now, reporting live in Bowling Green, Fallon Glick, WDRB News.